everybody, it's Mia, and today I'm going to be making an opera cake. So we need 4 egg whites in our mixing bowl. Mixing these egg whites till frothy. Now I'm mixing a half a teaspoon of salt and 20 grams of sugar. So we're going to move our egg whites over here. And again in our mixing bowl. We've got 4 eggs in there, and we add 150 grams of sugar, and then we go mix that back up. So we've got this fluffy egg mixture. We're going to add 160 grams of almond flour and 35 grams of regular flour. A little bit at a time. Folding that all together. And we have the egg whites. We have a baking pan with a piece of parchment, and I want to spray that with nonstick. Same thing for this one. And we divide our cake batter. Egg whites look a little lumpy because they're old. Egg whites are not supposed to be sitting around, you know? This recipe's a little weird. But, you know, try new things. So I didn't want to mix too much and deflate the batter, so. And I'll be baking this one at a time, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for, we're gonna check them at like 8 minutes. Now I'm gonna make some coffee because I don't have an espresso maker, fortunately. So I'm just gonna make some strong coffee. We're gonna need that later for buttercream. Okay, I think that's done. It's browning on the edges. It's just so squishy. My cakes are out. Not sure about it, but we're gonna make the buttercream and just go from there. We're gonna start our buttercream by making a syrup. Just half a cup of water. Half a cup of water plus 3/4 cup sugar. And then we'll bring that to a boil. I've got my candy thermometer and we want to bring this to softball stage. In the bowl of my mixer, I'm going to put in the egg yolks that we did not use in our sponge. Ah, smell that coffee is making me want some coffee. I'm gonna make some coffee. We're almost there. Okay, we've got our hot syrup and it's coming in. Then we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of espresso or coffee. We have that. And we're gonna let that cool. Okay, this is cooled down now. So we're going to add 1 cup of butter, a little at a time. And then we add a pinch of salt. Whoa. That's like one of the best things I've ever tasted. So we're gonna make a coffee syrup. So we need 150 grams of coffee. And we're gonna add half a cup of sugar to that. Stir that up until it's dissolved. Okay, we're gonna make a chocolate ganache. So we need 4 ounces of heavy cream. And then we're going to put that over heat. Just totally threw that spoon in the frosting. I honestly can't even believe how good that buttercream is. I can't believe it. We've got about 70% dark chocolate. And I'm gonna crunch that up and put it in our bowl. Okay, cream is simmering. Sim, sim, simmeroo. That's my favorite part. Ooh. I love making ganache. It's so fun. And that's it. And then I stir it all up. So we've got our sweet coffee syrup, buttercream, our ganache, and our cakes. Poison check. We're good. Now we have to assemble the cake. First, we have to cut the cake into squares, rectangles. I'm gonna cut this into thirds. This is sort of a disaster, isn't it? My cake's not cooked. So I'm going to redo my sponge because this is not cooked. I can't do anything with this. So stand by while I make a different sponge. I made a new sponge. And we begin assembling. Soak the sponge with some coffee. Spread a layer of ganache. Ganache. I was able to save one of the original sponges that cooked a little bit better, so it's still very thin, but we're just gonna go with it. Soak with the coffee and slur with some buttercream. Okay, so that's the first 2 layers, and then we do the same thing over and over again for the next 4 layers. Now that our layers are done, I'm going to put this in the freezer for a few minutes to harden up the frosting. So traditionally the opera cake has another layer of the chocolate ganache on top, but I ran out. So I'm going to use cocoa powder instead. We're just going to trim up the edges. Okay, I'm going to cut a piece for eating. We are done. Here's the beautiful cake. Here's my beautiful slice. And let's try it. Get all the layers. Did you know that it's called an opera cake? Because when you eat it, it makes you want to sing opera. It's that good. That's actually not true. This will make you want to sing opera. It's that good. There was a little hitch with the cake recipe. I'm not sure why it just came out so sticky, and it was very, very hard to use. They both came out way too sticky. One of them was unusable and the other one was very hard to work with. So I am happy that I made that other sponge, and it was easier and much better to work with. The coffee soaks into it better, and I would just recommend doing that because, yeah. This would probably be even better with the chocolate ganache on the top, which, you know, I ran out. It is what it is, but, you know, for me, the chocolate cocoa powder on the top, it works fantastically, and I'm very happy with it. This took a long time, but amazing. So good. I love it. My first opera cake. Layers. Beautiful. Hope you had fun. This was super fun, and I'll see you next week when I whisk up something else. Bye, buddy!